Question 1 for parallel lines. Find a line parallel to y equals 3 over 4x minus 7 over 2, which has a y-intercept of x is 0, y is 4. And for B part, it passes through the point 3 and minus 1. If I compare this graph with this one, you can see the m is 3 over 4, and the c here is minus 7 over 2. But the most important thing here is that they are parallel. This line is parallel to these, and this line is parallel to that. So we're going to have two different lines now, two different equations. So altogether there are 3 lines, but they're all parallel. And they have the same gradient. Okay, since we have one gradient and one coordinate, there's an obvious equation to use here, and that equation is y minus y1 equals m into bracket x minus x1, where my x1 is that, and that's my y1. This is my m. I'm going to plug in those values into this equation. And that becomes y minus 4 equals 3 over 4 into bracket x minus 0. Now I need to multiply out the bracket. Y minus 4 equals to 3 over 4x. 3 over 4 times x is 3 over 4. 3 over 4 times 0 is 0. Therefore, y equals 3 over 4x plus 4. So that is the equation of the line, which is parallel to this one because they have same gradient, but they have different intercept on the y-axis. Again, for B part, they have the same gradient, so gradient is 3 over 4. Point that it passes through this time is 3 and minus 1, so this is x1 and this is y1. Now I need to apply the same equation I've done here to here. So y minus y1 equals m into bracket x minus x1, y minus minus 1, because x1, y1 is, this is y1, and that's x1, equals 3 over 4 into bracket x minus 3. Y plus 1 equals 3 over 4 x minus 9 over 4. This is because I'm multiplying 3 over 4 times x, so I get 3 over 4x. 3 over 4 times minus 3, that will become minus 3 times 3 is 9, so minus 9 over 4. So now I'm going to move plus 1 to the other side, so I get y equals 3 over 4x minus 9 over 4 minus 1 over 1. 1 over 1 is 1. Y equals 3 over 4x minus 9 over 4 minus 4 over 4. So what I've done is I've multiplied that by 4 and times that by 4. So I get 4 over 4 to keep the denominator the same. And therefore I get y equals 3 over 4x minus 13 over 4. And that's the equation that's required. This equation have same gradient, just like that one. Again, different intercept on the y-axis, just like that one. Different intercept on the y-axis.